Do you know what quietly kills more engines than accidents ever could? It's not bad luck, it's bad driving habits. And the truth is, most drivers are doing at least one of these every single day without realizing they're shaving years off their engine's life. Stick with me, because if you recognize yourself in any of these habits, stopping today could save you thousands tomorrow. Point 1. Revving on cold starts habit number 1. Revving your engine when it's cold. You turn the key, the engine fires up, and you tap the gas to warm it up faster. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Cold oil is thick and sluggish. It hasn't had time to circulate and protect your moving parts. Revving now is like sprinting before your muscles are stretched. And what happens if you do that every morning? Tiny scratches build up inside your engine until one day you're paying for major repairs you could have avoided. Point 2. Riding the clutch. Manual drivers. Number 2. Riding the clutch. If you drive stick, you might rest your foot lightly on the clutch pedal while cruising. Feels comfortable, but here's the catch: it keeps pressure on the release bearing and heats up your clutch plate. Over time, that habit quietly burns your clutch out. And if you've ever priced a clutch replacement, you know it's a financial gut punch. Think of it like this. Your clutch isn't a footrest, it's a $1,000 bill you're slowly shredding every time your foot lingers there. Point 3. Ignoring warning lights. Number 3. Ignoring warning lights. We've all been guilty of this. That little orange check engine light pops up, and instead of checking it, we say, it's probably nothing. But here's the ugly truth: modern cars are smart. If that light's on, your car is begging for help. Ignore it, and what could have been a $100 sensor replacement can turn into a $3,000 engine rebuild. And speaking of expensive mistakes, habit number 4 is something almost every driver does on long trips, and it can strangle your engine from the inside out. Point 4. Running on low fuel. Driving with the tank nearly empty. You might think you're saving time by stretching out those last few miles. But here's the danger: your fuel pump sits inside the tank, and gasoline is what keeps it cool. Run low too often, and that pump overheats, fails, and leaves you stranded. On top of that, dirt and sediment settle at the bottom of your tank. Guess where your car starts sucking fuel from when you're on empty? Exactly, straight into your engine. Point 5. Hard acceleration and sudden stops. Finally, number 5. Aggressive driving, flooring the gas, then slamming the brakes. It might feel powerful, but your engine hates it. Every hard acceleration dumps extra heat and stress into your pistons and bearings. Every sudden stop disrupts oil flow. Over time, it's like aging your engine in fast forward. Here's the good news: every single one of these habits is under your control. By driving smarter, not harder, you're not just protecting your engine, you're protecting your wallet, your time, and your peace of mind. And that's how everyday drivers turn into financially savvy car owners who stay one step ahead. If you found yourself guilty of even one of these habits, consider this your turning point. Start fresh today, treat your engine with respect, and it'll reward you with years of reliable service. And if you want more tips that save you money and headaches on the road, hit that subscribe button, because here at Auto Repair, we make sure your car works for you, not against you.